If your PC takes 20, 30, or even 40 seconds just to reach the desktop, there's a good chance Windows is wasting time on things you don't actually need. Today, I'll show you 5 settings that can noticeably improve boot time, and the last one is something many people never think to check, even though it can have one of the biggest impacts. Let's fix it. Let's start with one of the biggest causes of slow boot times. Every time your computer starts, Windows can automatically launch dozens of applications in the background, even if you never open them. Each one uses CPU, memory, and disk activity during startup, making Windows take longer before it's fully usable. To check yours, click the Windows button and open Settings. Go to Apps, then Startup. Here you'll see everything that launches when Windows starts. Disable anything you don't need opening automatically. Leave drivers, Windows components, and security software enabled if you're unsure. Even if startup apps are clean, Windows might still be loading services you never use. Some programs install services that start every single time your PC boots. Many continue running even after you've stopped using the software. Press Windows plus R. Type msconfig. Open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services first. This is important because it prevents you from disabling essential Windows services. Now, look through the remaining services. If you recognize software you no longer use, such as old launchers, RGB software, or utilities, you can disable those services. Click Apply, then restart later when you're finished. Now let's fix something built directly into Windows that many people never check. Fast Startup is designed to make Windows boot faster by saving part of the system state when shutting down. On many PCs, it works well, but on some systems, it can actually cause slower boots or strange startup issues over time. To test it yourself, open the Start menu and search Choose a Power Plan. On the left side, you will see an option called Choose what the power buttons do. Click it. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable. You'll now see Turn on Fast Startup. Try turning it off, restart your PC, and compare your boot time. If it's slower, simply turn it back on. The best option depends on your hardware. There's another setting that's easy to miss because most people never open it. Windows boots much slower when your SSD or hard drive is almost full. The operating system needs free space for temporary files, updates, and background tasks. Open Settings. Go to System, then Storage. If your drive is nearly full, remove files you don't need, or use Storage Sense to clean temporary files. Keeping at least 15 to 20% of your system drive free helps Windows perform much more smoothly. One last thing, and this is probably the easiest to fix. If you've added another drive or changed hardware, your computer might spend extra time checking devices before loading Windows. Restart your PC and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Look for the Boot section. Make sure your Windows SSD is listed as the first boot device. This prevents your computer from wasting time searching other drives before starting Windows. The exact layout looks different on every motherboard, but the setting is usually called boot priority or boot order. Those are 5 settings worth checking if your PC takes too long to boot. Not every setting will improve every computer, but together they cover the most common causes of slow startup. If this video helped, subscribe because I post Windows optimization videos based on practical testing, not random tweaks you see copied everywhere. And if you want to make Windows even faster after it finishes booting, click the video on your screen now.